friendly fire engines. One day, Thomas was taking Sir Topham Hatt and a team of railway inspectors around the island.
Okay, all in good order.
Our next stop will be the Sodor Search and Rescue Center, Thomas.
Yes, sir. We're on our way.
At the Sodor Search and Rescue Center, Belle and Flynn were waiting to be inspected.
See? I can reach that tall tree on the slope.
So, I can reach it too. And the one behind it.
And these are our two fire engines, Belle and Flynn.
Oh, I see.
Belle has had water cannons fitted to her boiler for firefighting, as you have already seen demonstrated, Belle.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, very impressive.
Flynn, on the other hand, has a special water tank for his hoses and water cannons. He is able to run on both rail and road.
Right. This is how I switch from rail wheels to road wheels. Well done. Very useful.
But tell me, Sir Topham Hatt, do you really need two fire engines? Wouldn't one be enough?
One fire engine would do for a very small island, but two fire engines are much safer than one.
I see.
Fair point.
Aha! The real thing! The alarm has sounded.
There's a fire in some sheds near Wellsworth. You must go.
Belle set off for Wellsworth at once, racing off along the rails. But it was quicker to get to Wellsworth by road, so Flynn used his road wheels instead.
Fiery Flynn, to the rescue! I'll be there faster than fast.
Flynn could see the smoke from the fire ahead. He was getting near when...
Oh no! What a time to get a flat tire!
But there was nothing Flynn could do. He had to watch and wait. As Belle arrived at the scene of the fire and put it out all by herself. The railway inspectors were very impressed.
Belle is an excellent fire engine.
Really useful.
Well done, Belle. Very impressive. You do make the island feel safe.
And Belle was very proud.
Thank you, everyone.
But Flynn was disappointed.
Instead of coming to the rescue, I needed to be rescued myself. Sorry, Butch. Don't put yourself down, Flynn. You'll get there next time. You're right, Butch. I will. After all, it was only a flat tire. I'm still Fiery Flynn.
A few days later, the alarm sounded again.
Harold spotted a forest fire near Arlesdale End.
Is Belle going?
She's not here, Flynn. Only you.
I'm on it. Fiery Flynn to the rescue.
The rails were fast and smooth. Flynn knew he wouldn't get another flat tire.
Can't stop, Thomas. There's a fire to put out.
Flynn could see the smoke from the fire ahead. But there wasn't very much smoke. In fact, it looked more like steam.
Hello, Flynn.
Belle, you've already put out the fire. Why didn't you wait for me? I could have helped you.
Fires are emergencies, Flynn. You know that. You can't wait if there's an emergency.
But Flynn was disappointed again.
Never mind, Flynn. It wasn't a very big fire.
What you mean is, you didn't need any help. You did it all by yourself. Maybe the inspectors were right. Maybe Sir Topham Hatt doesn't need 2 firefighting engines.
A few days later, Thomas came to see Flynn with some exciting news.
There's going to be a fireworks display tonight, Flynn, at Ulstead Castle. And Sir Topham Hatt wants you to be on duty in case of fire.
Why don't you ask Belle? Belle can put out fires. She doesn't need any help.
Sir Topham Hatt said to ask you. After all, you're Fiery Flynn.
Sir Topham Hatt doesn't need 2 fire engines, Thomas.
So Thomas went off to find Belle instead. Later that night, Thomas took visitors up to Ulstead Castle to see the fireworks. Belle was there too, on guard in case of fire. But Flynn wasn't. He was back in his shed at the Sodor Search and Rescue Center, feeling sad. Thomas waited in the castle station and watched the fireworks. It was very exciting.
Cinders and ashes.
You mean gunpowder and chemicals? That's what fireworks are made of.
And Belle kept her eyes open in case of...
Fire! Fire! Come on, Flynn. Get ready to rescue. There's a fire.
You don't need me, Butch. Belle can put it out. She's already on guard at Ulstead Castle.
But the fire's not at Ulstead Castle. It's at Brendam Docks. Belle can't go. She has to stay at the fireworks.
Really?
Come on, Flynn. We need you. You're the only engine who can put out the fire.
Okay, I'm ready. Fiery Flynn to the rescue!
One of the harbor storerooms was on fire at Brendam Docks. But luckily, there was a fire engine to put the fire out.
Fiery Flynn at your service.
A fire engine with a water tank for his hoses and water cannons, who was able to run on both rail and road. Soon the fire was out. Flynn started back to the Search and Rescue Center. Belle was still keeping guard at Ulstead Castle. As Flynn traveled, he saw the fireworks high above him. He knew that Belle was keeping the other side of the island safe.
I guess Sir Topham Hatt really does need 2 fire engines to keep the island safe after all.
And everybody knows you can never have too many fire engines.